5 simple steps on how to enroll change champions for project and change managers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enroll change champions for your next project. It's a really simple process and only takes 5 steps. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly who to approach and how to get them on board. Hi, my name is Eva and I'm the Chief Innovation Officer at Approach Services. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to enroll change champions and get them on board with your project or change management initiatives. Most people make enrolling change champions way more complicated than it needs to be. So I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Stay tuned. Step number 1, define what a change champion is. A change champion is someone who can help spread the message of your project or change initiative and encourage their peers to get involved. They are influential people in your organization with strong communication skills and a positive attitude towards change. They also have the power to persuade or influence others to join in. Step 2. Assess who would be best suited to become a change champion. Look for the informal leaders, local influencers, and well-connected people at all levels of your business, and in particular, where the most change impact will happen. Think about who in your organization is the most enthusiastic and motivated when it comes to the change. Look for people who have a track record of being successful at leading change initiatives and driving them forward. Consider their personality, their leadership style, their communication skills, and the ability to engage others. Step 3, identify and assess the readiness of candidates for your change champion roles. Once you've identified potential change champions, assess their readiness for the role by asking them just a few questions. Consider how they perceive and react to the change, what motivates them, and why they think they'd be a good fit. This is important because sometimes they have the wrong motivations. Step 4, train and equip change champions to support the project and change management activities. This cannot be emphasized enough. Once you've identified your change champions, it's super important to train and equip them with the necessary skills and knowledge they need to be successful. Do not set them up to fail. Provide them with resources they can use to learn more about the project or initiative, and explain how their role as a change champion will make the change easier for everyone. Our Change Advocate course is a great way to make sure that you have all the right capabilities in place. Step 5, manage and monitor the performance of the change champion. Finally, it is important to regularly support, monitor, and manage your change champions. This includes providing feedback on their actions, setting goals and objectives, and identifying areas where they can improve. Regular check-ins and progress stand-ups work really well here. So there you have it. These are 5 simple steps for you to enroll and support your change champions. 1, defining what a change champion is. 2, assessing who would be best suited to become a change champion. 3, identifying and assessing the readiness of the candidates for their change champion role. 4, training and equipping the change champions to support all project and change management activities. And number 5, regular conversations, manage, monitor, and support the performance of your change champion. For more tips on change management and how to lead change effectively, visit approach-services.com.